Welcome to MadeTV.com. What is your name and nationality?
My name is Muna Muhammad Ali. I am from Ethiopia.
What kind of job are you looking for?
Housemate job.
What is your visa situation?
Housemate.
You're on employment visa.
Yes.
When will your employment visa expire?
April 4.
April 4.
Yes.
When can you start to work for a new job?
I will start to work for new job end of the April.
End
End
of
April.
that. So you have to finish it
Yes.
before starting for a new work.
Yes, but I want my new visa to be starting before April, end of April.
Before that.
Before end of the April.
Before end of that, you need your visa to be processed.
Yes.
Okay. So in which cities and countries are you willing to work?
Dubai.
Dubai. Only in Dubai?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me something about your present job. What are you doing right now?
Now I'm cleaning, ironing and taking care of the house.
So you're working as a housemaid, an
Yes.
all-around housemaid.
Yes.
Okay. Are there any children in the family?
No, there is no children.
No children.
Yes.
So why do you want to leave your present job?
I'm looking for higher salary.
You're looking for a job with a higher salary.
Yes.
Okay. So what are your salary expectations?
2,000.
At least 2,000.
Yes, included everything.
At least 2,000, including everything.
Yes.
Okay. You've been working for how many years here in Dubai?
4 years.
For 4 years.
Yes.
You've been working as a housemaid.
Yes.
And you have also experience in Kuwait.
Yes.
Right? Okay. Are you single or married?
Married.
Married. Do you have children?
No.
No children. Okay. As a housemaid or as a housekeeper, which task will you perform every day in the house? What are the things that you're going to do every day in the house? For example, are you going to clean,
Yes.
wash? What are you going to do?
I'm cleaning, washing, ironing, dusting, everything.
Everything. So, yes, and?
But I don't know how to cook. But if they show me what you show me, I will do.
You will do. So you're willing to learn?
Yes.
Okay, what do you prefer? Doing housework, caring for kids, or cooking?
I'm looking doing housework.
Doing housework. Okay, how long do you plan staying in this new job? How long do you plan staying in this new job? How many years? For example, 2 years, 3 years, how long do you plan staying?
I will stay how the people are good or they
If the people are good,
if
you
they
can
like
stay
me,
long.
yes, I will stay.
No worry, no
Yes.
problem with you. Okay, are you in good health?
Yes.
Okay. Are you comfortable with animals such as cats and dogs, for instance?
No, I have a sinus. I can't.
No. Okay. Why should you be hired? If I am the employer, I will ask you, why should I hire you? What qualities do you have?
I'm honest and I'm good cleaner and I don't have bad habits.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Okay. So, what are your hobbies? What do you do during your spare time?
I like watching movie and reading the Bible.
Reading the Bible.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much for your time, Muna. Please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you for coming to MadeTV.com. Thank you.